Hey riders, have you ever watched a skilled motorcyclist carve through a corner and thought, wow, I wish I could do that? Cornering is where the magic of riding really happens. It's the thrill, the challenge, and the art of becoming one with your bike. But let's be real, it's also one of the most intimidating parts of riding for many. Whether you're taking on tight hairpins or sweeping curves, nailing your corner technique isn't just about looking cool. It's about safety, confidence, and control. In today's video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know to take corners like a pro. From mastering body position to understanding throttle control, I've got you covered. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be leaning into those turns like you've been doing it your whole life, Rossi style. Part 1. Understand the basics of cornering. Before we dive into the advanced stuff, let's talk about the fundamentals. Every corner has three main parts. Number 1, the entry, setting up for the turn. Number 2, the apex, the tightest point of the turn. Number 3, the exit, accelerating out of the turn. The key to cornering like a pro is mastering each of these stages while staying smooth and in control. Part 2, setting up for the corner. Great cornering starts before you even lean into the turn. Here's what you need to do. Number 1, slow down before the turn. Never brake while leaning into a corner. It can upset your bike's balance. Instead, slow down while you're upright. Use both brakes evenly, but focus on the front brake for most of your stopping power. Number 2, choose the right line. Look ahead and plan your path through the corner. Aim for a wide entry, clip the apex, and then exit wide. This gives you the smoothest and safest line. Number 3, look where you want to go. This is huge. Your bike follows your eyes. Look through the corner to the exit, not at obstacles or the road directly in front of you. This helps you maintain a smooth trajectory. Part 3, body position and lean angle. Body positioning can make or break your cornering. Here's how to get it right. Number 1, relax your upper body. Keep your arms loose and avoid death gripping the handlebars. A tense upper body will make your bike harder to control. Number 2, shift your weight. For tighter turns, shift your body slightly to the inside of the bike. This helps lower the bike's center of gravity and reduces the lean angle needed for the turn. You don't need to hang off like a MotoGP rider. Just a subtle shift is enough for street riding. Number 3, keep your head level. As you lean, your head should stay level with the horizon. This improves balance and keeps your vision clear. Number 4, foot placement. Keep the balls of your feet on the pegs. This gives you better control and stability, especially when leaning into a corner. Part 4, throttle control. Throttle control is what separates good cornering from great cornering. Here's how to manage it. Number 1, maintain steady throttle. As you lean into the turn, keep the throttle steady. This stabilizes the suspension and keeps your bike balanced. Number 2, roll on the throttle through the exit. Once you pass the apex, gradually roll on the throttle to power out of the corner. This transfers weight to the rear wheel and improves traction. Number 3, avoid sudden inputs. Smoothness is key. Avoid snapping the throttle open or chopping it off. It can unsettle your bike mid-turn. Part 5, countersteering. Here's a secret weapon for taking corners like a pro. Countersteering. To turn right, you push the right handlebar. To turn left, you push the left handlebar. It sounds counterintuitive, but it works. Practice countersteering in a safe area to feel how it affects your bike's lean and direction. Once you get the hang of it, it will become second nature. For more details on how to countersteer, please check the link in the description or click up here to watch the video on countersteering. Part 6, dealing with common challenges. Cornering isn't always straightforward. Let's tackle a few common challenges. Number 1, tight corners. Approaching them slower than usual. Focus on body positioning and trust your bike to make the turn. Number 2, gravel or slippery surfaces. Reduce your lean angle and avoid sudden inputs. Keep your bike as upright as possible while navigating the hazard. Number 3, blind corners. Slow down and stay closer to the inside of the lane. Always assume there's an obstacle you can't see, like a stopped car or a stray animal. Part 7. practice makes perfect. No one becomes a cornering expert overnight. Find a safe area like an empty parking lot or a quiet stretch of twisty road and practice. Start slow, focus on technique, and gradually increase your speed as you build confidence. If you're serious about leveling up, consider taking an advanced riding course. Professional coaching can make a huge difference in your cornering skills. And there you have it, everything you need to know on how to take corners like a pro on your motorcycle. Remember, great cornering isn't about speed, it's about control, precision, and practice. Which of these tips are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your riding buddies, and hit that subscribe button for more motorcycle tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and I'll see you on the next ride.